Hey, what's going on, guys? JPRK31 here. I am back. I'm doing the 2025-26 Series 2. This is the Mega Box edition. If you guys watched the other video, I opened the blaster. So this is the Mega Box, and then there's also a tin. Yeah, let's go ahead and open it. And this one has the die cut. So, one exclusive die cut. And I'm a very big fan of die cuts. I'd love to see what it looks like. So six packs. That's one. I don't even know what that one. Oh, the extra one. Okay, I wonder what's in that one. Maybe Dazzlers in this one, the exclusive card. But we'll see. All right, here we go. Bonus per box. Okay, all right, let's go and open. It's Sidney Crosby on the glossy. There's the glow up. Let them cook. And these are just checklists. I'm not gonna bore you guys with the base. So there's two Young Guns here. Top Young Gun chase will be Shaper, so here we go. It's another glossy Slaps of Maurice Cider, Vibing, and base. Hudson. It's nice looking base cards. Tyler Toffoli, yeah, Jack Eichel, the Yuri portraits, the Lick Gabriel Lensmore, and base. Interesting. Well, I guess it's different depending on the collation, but the blasters have 3 inserts, 4 inserts. This one only has 3. So just the base, Connor Bedard. And we got first Young Guns of Hunter, Bruce Tewich. And then a Speckled the Viking of Askarov. And then we have the Anchor shiny this time around. And these are all base. All right, 2 more packs. We still have supposed to get 1 more Young Guns. Jack Hughes, another Young Guns of Danila Europe. Boomtown of Andrei Shkebov. That's a nice Boomtown. I wonder what's the then the Program of Excellence. Ryan Suzuki and base. Yeah, the Boomtown. Boomtown looks nice. First time I've seen the Boomtown, so maybe we get a higher insert hit. And to get another Axel Sandin Pelika. Man, I'll be rich if that kid gets better at Braden Point. This isn't real. And that kid has been following me around. What's the odds of like getting him like on a blaster and on the Mega Box? Please don't let me. Alright, here we go. Here are the die cuts. We have a Joakim Kimmel. We got a gold of Cam Lund and Brady Martin. Ooh, nice looking die cuts. I love die cuts, guys. I'm a big fan of die cuts. There's the red. No Dazzlers though. So, but we did get the Boomtown. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next break. Have a good day. Bye-bye.